Good evening, all. My name is Amita Desai. I'm from the Goethe Centrum, Hyderabad. If you are wondering where you are, I'm here to wonder too. Welcome to the first Baitak, Bata Mulakata, a series of conversations based on the film Other Kohinoors, The Rocks of Hyderabad. Today's episode is titled Geet Gaya Patharone. Goethe Centrum Hyderabad, that is my colleagues Jyoti Biswada, Satyender Pal and others, and I are simply thrilled to be a part of this exciting and noble venture. I'm sure all of us present here in Hyderabad have stories about how our lives are interwoven with the Deccan rocks that connect us all. And what a wonderful journey we all are on with Uma and Manur. By way of the film, conversations, poetry, songs, cooking, readings, and so on. On a personal note, I came to Hyderabad from Mumbai about 2 decades ago by train. From the city that never sleeps, the hustle and bustle place, to a tranquil landscape dotted with breathtaking rockscapes. As the train pulled in, slowed down, with some 20 minutes before reaching Nampalli station, I was introduced to some awesome rock formations. Natural, serene beauty, large, impressive rocks that completely floored me. That was 20 years ago. Today, we need to be invited on a journey by Moving Images, Goethe Centrum Hyderabad, actually by Uma Magal and Manur Yar Khan. Uma Magal is the owner of Fenugreek Productions, which she calls a boutique studio for media and film working and training. She has lived and worked across continents, presently based in Ireland, in Dublin, in film, theatre, and media, directing films, doing theatre, teaching filmmaking, and media. Manur Yar Khan is a filmmaker and a drama therapist, has trained in sociology and psychology. She has collaborated in several award-winning films shown at the Canadian Student Film Festival, the American Film Festival, the Mumbai International Film Festival. Recently, she has curated a significant multimedia show on the Palestine with more than 50 artworks by artists from Gaza. The Other Kohinoor, The Rocks of Hyderabad, is an outcome of labor of love by these phenomenal ladies. Over to Uma to take us through this evening.
Thank you so much, Amita. We're so delighted, Manur and I, to be here and to have reached this stage of our journey with this film and with the rocks and with the city and, other people who've joined us on this journey. Many thanks to Goethe Zentrum for all the support it's shown us and for collaborating in these conversations. And thanks to Moving Images, represented today by Kinera Murthy, for collaborating with us on this conversation. With Amita, I know she personally even misses the rock from the old Goethe Zentrum location. There was such a beautiful, rock there. And the moment we showed her the excerpts from our film some years ago, she immediately gave us her support. And we are so, so grateful. It was the wind in our sails, really, that moment, Amita, in your office. As far as the I Am Here to Wonder conversations, the title is very, it's interesting how we came up with it. I was interviewing Pranay Lal, who wrote the beautiful book Indica, A Natural History of the Subcontinent. And in interviewing him, he referred me to some other geologists and experts in the field because Manur and I have been learning. We didn't know much, when we started off this journey many years ago. So we've been learning a lot along the way. And one of the geologists he referred me to was Professor Richard Forte. And I, in looking him up, came across this talk that he gave on rocks. And it was a very moving talk. And the end of it, he ended it by saying that in the face of these rocks, in the face of the majesty of this nature, all I can do is quote Goethe himself, who when he was faced with the beauty and majesty of nature said, I am here to wonder. And that really stayed with me. And, that's how we started this, because we ourselves, Manur and I, have been so struck with wonder getting a call, have been so struck with wonder, in discovering all the ways that the city's culture, its sensibility is tied up with the rocks. And so that's how we thought we'll do this series of conversations, these baithaks, these mulaqatan, as we say in Hyderabad, where we sort of, get a bunch of people together and have fun discussing and seeing how, whether it's in songs like today, or in poetry, we have a session called Sange Shairi, or in art, in textiles and cuisine. Our next session is on cuisine, on cooking and rocks and the landscape. So that's how this whole thing came about. And we're really very happy to be doing it. It's been really a fun journey for us. But there is a very serious hope along the way with it for the rocks, for the remaining rocks of Hyderabad. We've lost so many, like Amita also mentioned. And surely we can come together and raise a dialogue to keep what we have left in the city. So that's the hope. The film itself, it's been 7 years now. We started our research, we did the shooting, we're in post-production. Many, many artists have joined us and we're so grateful to them. And the film also showcases this. And the number one thing we want with the film is for it not to be boring. We don't want one person on screen saying yada, 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 yada. We don't want that. We wanted something that will, strike people, connect with them. And what better than our own beautiful culture and different aspects of it. And that's what the film's focus really is. We hope to show it to you soon. We're in post-production, like I told you. And all these series of conversations is based on the themes of the film itself. We're still crowdfunding. We have an extensive outreach program planned once the premiere happens. I'll tell you very briefly about it. Please do look at our website, and then it's listed in great detail, but I'll tell you very briefly. It's not just making this film and having the premiere and maybe sending it to festivals. That's good. I hope it happens. But more than that, what Manur and I are very keen on is that we, show this film in every possible space in the city. We have a huge list of spaces already, starting from, the Bengali Samiti, Marathi Mandal, Kannada Sangha, Siyasat, Salarjung Museum, La Makan, Sacred Space, all over the city, schools and colleges, private and public, government and private schools and colleges. Lots of spaces we've gathered together. We have a list, and we'll be screening the film free there. And we'll be having a discussant along who will talk about the issues, celebrate the culture, how we've acknowledged the rocks in our culture, and talk about what we need to do to keep the remaining rocks in the city. So it's a very serious and firm plan that we have. And we do need money to implement that. And so we're also crowdfunding. And so please look at the links on the screen, and please make any contribution that you can. Without much further ado, we'll move on to the evening and the lovely singers we have today. We're really, really grateful, to have these singers. They've all come out of love for the rocks, and we're really, really grateful to them. Let me introduce now our dashing, we've been calling him our dashing MC, and I think that's well put. He's an old friend of ours from our theater days in Hyderabad, from the Dramatic Circle of Hyderabad days. We know him through the Dramatic Circle of Hyderabad, and many thanks to DCH and to Zach Alauddin, who put us back in touch with Anuj. And Anuj, thank you from the rock bottom of our hearts for agreeing to do this so generously and giving so much of your time to this. I will go to Anuj's bio because it's a very exciting bio, really. He's a master of ceremonies, as you all know. He's a playback singer with the Filmfare Award for his song in Magadhira. He's an actor, he's a voice artist, he's a former RJ, a writer and traveler. He's truly multi-talented entertainer, all around. He shared the stage with some of the biggest names in cinema, in music, in business, industry, and sports. And he's really achieved, considerable, fantastic success in multiple forms of entertainment over the last few decades. He has his roots in Hyderabad, where he started from the ground up. And he went on to establish a career in Mumbai and is one of the most sought after live artists in India today. So without much further ado, let me hand over to Anuj. And I look forward to relaxing and having a lovely time with these wonderful singers, who've given generously of their time and talent to us and further to the rocks. Thank you.
Thank you, Uma, for those kind words, and thank you, ladies, for having me on. I think congratulations to the entire team. Of course, thank you for making me part of this. My initiative नहीं बोलूँगा, मैं movement बोलूँगा, because this is an ongoing movement to celebrate Hyderabad, celebrate our region and everything that it holds and that it has given to us. So thank you for making me part of this. And after all the hard work that you all have put in, I think we're introducing this much needed film and celebrating what we are. And in fact, आपने जो इतना सारा मेरे वो career के points कुछ highlight किए थे. Most importantly, I am Hyderabadi, although I did live in Bombay for a few years and then I moved back to Hyderabad. But
Anuj, your mic is off.
हाँ. So I said, जितनी सारी चीजें मैंने entertainment line में की हैं, I think the peaks of my career have always come in from Hyderabad, whether it was a film that I did, a song that I sang, radio, all of that. तो जहाँ जहाँ गया हूँ, वापस इस शहर ने मुझे बुलाया और आगे बढ़ाया. तो thank you to Hyderabad for this. And really, it is, it's a very simple thing. हम जब राजस्थान की बात करते हैं तो रेगिस्तान दिमाग में आता है, जहन में आता है. जब हम केरला की बात करते हैं तो बैक वाटर्स की बात करते हैं. तो जब हैदराबाद तेलंगाना की बात होती है तो it is the rocks of Hyderabad which are as important as the deserts of Rajasthan or the backwaters of Kerala. This is our natural treasure, and that's what we need to conserve, we need to preserve and celebrate and really learn from it, because इसी ने तो शहरों को बढ़ाया है, इसी ने तो आबादी को एक तरह से nurture किया है. So, but we'll of course talk a lot more about this. And before we begin, sabse pehle to those of you who've taken time out to join us in this program, thank you so much for being with us. मैं कुछ important points आपको बता दूं कि there is, now of course, the official phrase, globally renowned phrase, accepted phrase of 2020 has been, please mute or unmute yourself. So मैं आपसे, I would request all of you जिन लोगों ने हमें join किया है यहाँ पर, please remain on mute throughout the duration of the session. क्योंकि ये मीटिंग है, वेबिनार नहीं है, तो अगर आप अनम्यूट हो जाएंगे तो हो सकता है आपकी बैकग्राउंड नॉइज या आपकी आवाज से यहाँ सेशन में थोड़ा सा खलल पड़ जाए. तो प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप म्यूट हो जाएं. ऑल इंटरेक्शन में बी डन वाया द चैट बॉक्स ऑफ कोर्स. तो अगर आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे आप चैट बॉक्स पे टाइप कीजिए, हमारी टीम उसे मॉनिटर कर रही है. और जब आपको कुछ बोलने का मौका दिया जाएगा तब अपने आप को आप अनम्यूट कर दीजिए एंड देन से योर बिट एंड देन म्यूट योरसेल्फ अगेन. Actually, I was thinking if we could say this in real life to people, that would be just so cool. Just walk up to people and say, please unmute yourself. Why, please? Okay, now mute yourself. Okay, done. But anyway, now for those of you watching on the Facebook broadcast, thank you for joining us there as well. You can interact with us via the comment box. Our team will be tracking that interaction as well. So without much further ado, let's begin. Now, of course, बहुत कुछ लिखा गया है, has been documented about the culture and heritage of Hyderabad, and not just Hyderabad, the entire Deccan region. We have an incredibly rich history, and not just culturally, not just politically, but also geologically. हम निजामों की बात करते हैं, कुतुब शाही डायनेस्टी की बात करते हैं, बहामनी एम्पायर की बात करते हैं, और इतना सारा जो खाना है, जैसे उमा ने बताया, कल्चर है, इतना सारा जो हमारे रीति रिवाज है, उसके साथ एक जियोलॉजिकल इंपॉर्टेंस भी है हमारे शहर की, जो कहीं भी नहीं मिलेगी इंडिया में. And there's a lot that meets the eye, and it goes back hundreds of millions of years. That's the evolution that we are all a part of. So दो लाइनें मैंने लिखी थी कि बहुत किस्से कहानियां छुपी हुई हैं इन चट्टानों की दरारों में, कभी झांक कर देखो तो इनमें बीते वक्त के कीमती नगीने मिलेंगे. वैसे growing up in Hyderabad, at least up until a decade or so ago, rocks have always been a part of life. So many areas of the city have always molded their way around our rocky terrain. लेकिन आज urbanization की वजह से धीरे धीरे इस terrain को हम vanish होता हुआ देख रहे हैं. And about 11 years ago, I had the good fortune of imprinting my own mark, musically speaking, not graffiti wise, on a few historic rocks of my city. तो मैंने एक प्लेबैक सिंगर के तौर पर एक डेब्यू किया था तेलुगु फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में. ऑल्दो आई कम फ्रॉम अ पंजाबी फैमिली, आई डोंट स्पीक तेलुगु, लेकिन इंग्लिश में लिखा, गाया, रिकॉर्ड किया, गाना थोड़ा सा हिट हो गया. एंड द सॉन्ग वाज शॉट इन द वेरी प्लेस where the seeds of Hyderabad city were sown by the Qutub Shahi dynasty. So in the cradle of the dynasty that founded our great city. तो एक काम करते हैं, मैं अपनी टीम से ज्यादा दरखास्त करूंगा कि प्लीज आप इस गाने के स्टिल्स जरा स्क्रीन पर लगाएं. ये देखिए, तो ये गाना है गोलकोंडा फोर्ट में इसे शूट किया गया था, उन चट्टानों के बीच, उस इतिहास के बीच. और ये मेरा गाना था, पहला गाना जो शूट हुआ वहां पर, तो आपसे मैं शेयर करना चाहूंगा. एंड व्हाट आई वुड लाइक यू ऑल टू डू, ऑल ऑफ यू हु आर वाचिंग, इफ यू कैन कमेंट एंड guess what song this is. If you can let me see how many of you know this, because एक तो हैदराबाद में इतना melting pot of cultures रहा है हमारा, तो बहुत सारे यहाँ पर, मैं खुद हिंदी स्पीकिंग हूँ, लेकिन तेलुगु फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में डेब्यू किया, उनसे बहुत मुझे प्यार मिला. तो एक तरह से कल्चर्स हमारे काफी हैं, मिक्स मिले हुए, घुले मिले हुए हैं. तो आप मुझे कमेंट करके बताइए कि इस गाने का नाम क्या होगा, क्या आपको लगता है. एंड लेट मी सी इफ इट्स करेक्ट और नॉट. शाव्या सिंह, चंदा मामा, नहीं, वो चंदा मामा लोरी अलग थी, but that's not the one. What's the song? Okay, so Sharda says Magadhira. Aha. Malik says Magadhira. Correct. And we've got a few more guesses coming in. Let's see. Let's quickly see. Aha. Oh, Panchadara Bomma. Correct. That's the song I debuted with. So that was my first song, as a playback singer and for the Telugu industry. तो बहुत मजा आया. एंड उसको रिकॉर्ड किया, और फिर मैं गोलकुंडा फोर्ट भी गया था शूट देखने, तो काफी सारा वहां पर देखने को मिला. एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स एडिंग टू a little bit of history of the fort मेरे साथ भी जुड़ गई. तो अभी तक हम किले को जाकर देखते थे और उसकी हिस्ट्री को एडमायर करते थे. And now I was a part of it. हाँ जी, ज्योति, tell me.
Can we please have you sing that song? Considering आप थे original singer, can you please hum for us? Or sing
original गाना तो
2 lines, please.
Okay, why not? Jyoti, this one's for you. Panchadara bomma bomma, పట్టుకో వత్తనకమ్మ, మంచు పూల కొమ్మ కొమ్మ, ముట్టుకో వత్తనకమ్మ, చేతినే తాకొత్తంటే, చెంతకే రావొత్తంటే మోతానమ్మా, నిన్ను పొందేటందుకే పుట్టానే గుమ్మ. Thank you so much. Thank you. Baki गाना आप of course YouTube पे सुनिए, and then I hope you enjoy it. For those of you who haven't heard it yet, and for those of you who have heard it, एक बार और सुन लो. But anyway, going back to the history of Hyderabad, it's centuries old. It's been a global melting pot of trade and culture. तो gemstones जो है एक वक्त में बहुत ही important mining resource हुआ करता था. The world renowned diamond mining resource used to be the Golconda Fort at that time. Until the 1860s, it was the only diamond mining resource in the world. So much so कि आज की डेट में USA में एक नहीं 2 गोलकुंडा है. 2 गोलकुंडा नाम के टाउन्स हैं, one in the state of Illinois, one in Nevada. Another town in Australia, another town in Trinidad and Tobago. ये सारे गोलकुंडा के नाम से हैं, named after the Golconda Fort. That's the legacy we come from. The gemstones mined during the Qutub Shahi dynasty were some of the finest offerings of India to the world. So on that note, we have this generation's finest musical offering, a fantastic singer who started singing at the age of 5, trained in classical music, went on to participate in the 9th season of Indian Idol, jahan he became an overnight sensation, and then went on to work with several renowned Telugu music directors. He has a global fan base today that he continues to entertain with numerous live concerts. So I would like to please invite onto the screen Rohit, the very, very famous and talented Rohit, to kickstart our musical celebrations. एक बहुत ही प्यारे गाने के साथ, we have an ensemble of artists who are singing some very special songs today. And right now we begin with Rohit.
सुनो ना संगमरमर की ये मीनारे, कुछ भी नहीं है आगे तुम्हारे, आज से दिल पे मेरे राज तुम्हारा, ताज तुम्हारा। सुनो ना संगमरमर की ये मीनारे, कुछ भी नहीं है आगे तुम्हारे, आज से दिल पे मेरे राज तुम्हारा, ताज तुम्हारा। सुनो ना संगमरमर की ये मीनारे, बिन तेरे मध्यम मध्यम भी चल रही थी धड़कन, जब से मिले तुम हमें आंचल से तेरे बंधे, दिल उड़ रहा है। सुनो ना आसमानों के ये सितारे, कुछ भी नहीं है आगे तुम्हारे, ये देखो सपने मेरे नींदों से होके तेरे, रातों से कहते हैं लो हम तो सवेरे हैं, वो सच हो गए जो। सुनो ना दो जहां के ये नजारे, कुछ भी नहीं है आगे तुम्हारे, आज से दिल पे मेरे राज तुम्हारा, ताज तुम्हारा। सुनो ना संगमरमर की ये मीनारे,
Rohit there, wow, what a voice, what a talent, and of course a great song to begin with. Suno Na Sange Marmar. Sange Marmar, of course, is marble, and वहाँ पे संगे मरमर जो marble को कहते हैं, the rocks of Golconda are called Sange Khara or Sange Siya, meaning hard rock or granite. और जो बीदर में जो rocks हैं, which are more porous, naram hote hain, which is basically sandstone. Sandstone wo Bidar mein paaye jate hain. So there's a whole spectrum of geological terrain which is found across. Bidar, of course, used to be the capital of the Bahmani Empire, which existed before the Qutub Shahi dynasty, which existed before the Nizams, which now, and which existed, of course, before now our modern Hyderabad. So that's how far we go. In fact, late 1700s mein, when the Britishers were busy putting in soil and sand into the sea and reclaiming land and connecting 7 islets to make the large city of Bombay in the late 1700s, by then, Hyderabad had already existed as a centuries old global hub of trade and culture. Imagine that's how rooted in history and treasure we are. Some of the richest, wealthiest people existed here in that time, that part of history. And it was only after that that Bombay and a lot of the other cities started developing and becoming what they are today. But Hyderabad has always been a global megapolis. So anyway, going on to rocks, there is, of course, Shahbad Rock, which is very popular in Hyderabad. And that is because there are two theories. One is that the whole Deccan Plateau was a volcanic formation. And uske pehle, it says that there's one theory that all of this was under the water, which is why when you break the Shahbad Rock, which is the popular rock of Hyderabad, you find a lot of layers, you find a lot of sedimentation. So that's some geography lesson for you right there. But anyway, Rohit se agar aap kuch puchna chahte hain, if there's anything you'd like to ask Rohit, please let us know in the comments. And or if there's any wishes you'd like to send over to him, we'd love to pass it on. We have Taimur Khan saying, I'm a fan of Indian Idol and loved all the performances of Rohit in season 9, and especially his rendition of Tujhe Yaad Kiya Hai Ayat Ki Tarah. That was a beautiful, beautiful performance by Rohit there. Taimur wishes him success in his career. Thank you. We'll pass on all your wishes. And I know कि we're all meeting virtually, लेकिन काश हम face to face मिल पाते तो आपका प्यार, आपकी energy और हम महसूस कर पाते. लेकिन right now the only way to feel that love and energy is in the comment box. So while these wonderful, talented artists are coming on screen to perform for us and take us closer to what we celebrate as Hyderabad, please show your love and comments love and energy in the comment section. Please show them your love and applause. Thank you. Okay. Up next is a beautiful song all the way from 1962. Now, this is being performed by somebody who I'm very grateful that from the entire portfolio of talents that she has, I'm glad that she doesn't anchor events. Otherwise, meri bhi naukri wo le jati. Shravya was basically raised in Hyderabad. She was enthusiastic about art and literature, went on to study geology in order to pursue a profession in oceanography. I am just glad I was able to pronounce all those words properly. Then uske baad wo painter bhi bani, फिर singer bhi hai, trained singer hai, goes on to perform all over, including Telugu cinema, and then a whole diverse range of genres of music, from reggae to jazz to hip hop to soul, paints all over. She traveled throughout the country painting in different places. My God, Shravya currently, of course, lives in Goa, where she's performing from. And thank you so much for joining us, Shravya. But from everything that you have done now, you're taking us back in time to 1962 to a legendary song by the one and only Ghantasala. So could you please tell us a little bit more about that? And then screen is all yours, of course.
Hi. First of all, it's a respect for all that introduction about me. It's an honor to be here, such a privilege to be a part of this. And most importantly, because I studied geology and my mom wanted me to do something out of it. And this is how I'm doing something for it. And I'm really honored. And yeah, it's crazy how I landed here. And the song that took me aback is the song I've heard in my house almost every day. This is a song that my dad always sang to me. Never knew the meaning. But now I know the meaning. And it is about sculpting sculptures into the rocks of Hyderabad. And it was a process to learn the song because I'm not classically trained. But it was fun to learn the song and sing the song, and I hope you like that. Why is it muted? Yes.
Why?
Sorry, I forgot.
Okay. Aho Andhra Bhoja Sri Krishna Devaraya Vijayanagara Samraja Nirmana Tejo Viraja Kirtidilalalo Chiranjeevi Vainavaya శిలలపై శిల్పాలు చెక్కినారు శిలలపై శిల్పాలు చెక్కినారు మనవాళ్ళు సృష్టికే అందాలు తెచ్చినారు శిలలపై శిల్పాలు చెక్కినారు కను చూపు కరువైన వారికైనా కను చూపు కరువైన వారికైనా కనిపించి కనులు కలిగించు రీతిగా శిలలపై శిల్పాలు చెక్కినారు Why?
Thank you, Shravya, for taking us back in time. A beautiful song, and of course for explaining to us what it meant. Because even back then in popular media, of course, they celebrated the art and culture of Hyderabad, really. And also thank you for coming in, because my mother is part of the audience, and she just heard me read out your entire profile and explain everything that you do. और अब मेरे को जियोलॉजी नहीं पढ़ा बोल के मेरे को पत्थर पड़ने वाले हैं मतलब WhatsApp आ गया पहले से साइड में मेरे चलो जान दो. But Shravya, tell me what is your most precious association with Hyderabad growing up and doing all of this, especially studying geology and all that you have come to learn about it?
You can pull out a Hyderabadi from Hyderabad, but you can't remove a Hyderabadi from a person. Everywhere I go, I have this, pride of being from Hyderabad and coming from a place with the best food in the world, for sure. So anybody who if I tell I'm from Hyderabad, they're like, oh, biryani. And I'm like, now I have another reason to say, you know what, Kohinoor is from Hyderabad. How can you forget that the biggest stone is from Hyderabad, and Hyderabad is known for its pearls and its stones and many other huge landscapes, etc. And we have a huge history based on this. I've been living in Goa, and I still do get really homesick. There's something about Hyderabad that cannot be anywhere else.
Correct.
And this song, Shililapai Shilpalu Chekkinaru ka meaning is basically they're two lovers who are exploring the city, okay? And the female lover is blind. And he's like, you can just feel the mystical vibration through the sculptures of the rocks. This is what people have made it. Humans have made out of rocks. You can feel the greatness just through me. I'm going to explain it to you how great this is. And it's really amazing because I heard this song always from my dad, and I never knew what exactly does he mean. And now when I had to learn the song, I deciphered. I know the language, but I don't speak it on a daily basis, why it's still difficult. But when I learned it, it took me back to a lot of things, not just Hyderabad, but my household too, and my parents and my folks. So it's good that I had so much to learn through this. So this one extra thing that will come into my profile. I know more about rocks now. Not through geology, but through this event. Through
beautifully sung and beautifully expressed, but do come back. यहाँ आपके नाम की बिरयानी और चाय ready है, आ जाइए. And in fact, we have Ms. Padma Ramesh who'd like to ask you something. She's the acting director, Annapurna Film School. Welcome, and please go ahead. What would you like to ask, Shravya?
Yeah, thank you, Anuj and Shravya. That was
a wonderful, wonderful rendition of a beautiful song, actually. Because
Thank
as
you.
you know, I work for Annapurna College, and then this is a very famous song by Dr. A.N.R. Shilalapai Shilpala Chekkinaru. I just was when I heard you singing, and I also heard you saying that you really did not know the language. I was also wondering what other genres of music and
I
songs
know
do
the
you sing?
language though. Let me
Yes.
correct you. I know the
Okay.
language. I am a Telugu girl.
Mm-hmm.
I come from a Telugu household,
Okay.
but I write more in English. Is
Okay.
why I'm little back in Telugu, but I try to write a lot in Telugu.
Absolutely,
But
you're
learning this
fantastic.
genre is like super new for me because I'm not into the classicality of Indian classical music. I'm more into reggae, which
Yeah.
is just classical music. But
Yeah. Yeah, so that's up. So I was just wondering if what are the other genres of music do you sing? And you know, and I also heard that you're singing a rap song for the other Kohinoors, and that is something which is absolutely amazing. You know, from
very
Shilalapai
excited.
Shilpal, yes, to a rap song for other Kohinoors. Can you just tell us a little bit about that?
Absolutely.
Yeah, great.
Firstly, I was called on board for the rap song for the Kohinoors
Mm-hmm.
because the genres that I do are a mix of jazz and hip hop and reggae. So
Hmm.
I call this jazz hop and reggae. So
Wow.
the
Okay.
mix of jazz and reggae is reggae, and the
Hmm.
mix of jazz and hip hop is jazz hop. And I
Hmm.
do these both genres alternatively.
Hmm.
And this is falling in the same line of what Uma and Manur were looking for the film,
Yeah.
which is how I ended up wanting to do the song. We
Mhm.
have not sat on the song yet, but we have run through the words that Uma has written and which are brilliant. They come in 3 languages. The song is made in 3 languages. It's in Hindi, Telugu, and English.
Yeah.
And I'm super excited to be a part of this.
Yeah.
And when Uma told me about this event is when she offered me a couple of songs to like sing. And I looked through these songs, and this was the most ancient song in the list. And for some reason, I was like, I'm going to explore this. And I clicked on it, and I'm like, oh, this song is my dad's favorite song. And I'm like,
Yes.
okay. But
Yeah.
I'm not really that used to doing Indian classical, but I am trained in Kuchipudi for 7 years, which is why I have a little base of classicality in my
अम्मा
voice.
वो भी है कुचिपुड़ी भी है
I know, just like, okay,
This
fine.
is multifaceted talent. That's what it is.
मल्टीफैसेटेड बाहर के लिए हैदराबाद में हम टैलेंट की बिरयानी बोलते हैं इसको
Yes. Yes, I mean this is really wonderful, and like I think like Huma and others, I mean a lot of us are looking forward to what you're going to do with rap song. Please go
Yeah, I'm
ahead.
excited.
Yeah, I was like we kind of interrupted you while you were talking about this song. Yeah, go ahead, Shravya.
So yeah, of course, it was a process for me to learn the song because I used to sing classical music maybe like 8-9 years back when I was just getting influenced into picking up music as a hobby or a career, all this process, which is when I used to touch classical music. But then I go back to the authentic Tollywood music used to sound like this initially.
Yeah.
And I know so much of this music.
Yeah.
And to sing this song was really, really heartwarming for me. Of course,
Yeah.
it was a process to shoot the video.
Yes,
But
but none can take away from the beauty of your voice. Thank you so much,
Thank
and
you so much.
all good wishes to
Thank
you and to your association with the other Kohinoors. Thank you,
Thank you.
Shravya.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Padma. Thank you, Shravya. Thank you so much for joining us and performing for us. Well, moving on, of course, as Shravya explained that, and here we have another very interesting comment from Ramesh, who says that in that song, the lady is blind and her husband takes her around the Vijayanagara Empire and the monuments, and he sings to explain the beauty of the sculptures. How lovely! I mean, we'd love to, we'd really want to see more stories like that coming out now. लेकिन interesting बात ये भी है कि ये जो sculptures बने थे उस वक्त, उस time पर, these were made by a tribe of artisans called the Vaddars. And Vaddars जो है एक tribe है जिन्हें employ किया जाता था to work with stone, to make things out of stone, because उनका talent उसी tribe में इतना ज़्यादा perfect हो चुका था. And अफसोस की बात ये है कि आज की date में, unfortunately, the Vaddars are largely used in construction work and not as much in stone sculpting or artistry with stone, but it's a dying art form. And the tragedy, the irony also is that now in a lot of monuments where restoration work happens, where a lot of conservation work is happening, they hunt for people of the Vadar tribe to come in and work with the stone. And these tribes, their history goes back centuries, really, to the Kakatiya dynasty and even beyond that. So the irony there is that while they are a part of history, they are now also working to recreate it. So Vadars is something that we really need to look up and read up and help these tribes as much as we can. Anyway, talking about talent ki biryani, thank you Shravya for giving me a complex with my mother in the audience. मैं बुलाने जा रहा हूँ हमारे एक और क्या महारथी है हैदराबाद के, डेंटल सर्जन बाय प्रोफेशन, सिंगर, सॉन्ग राइटर, फुल ऑन स्टाइल भाई, जबरदस्त एटीट्यूड, एनर्जी, कंप्लीट आउट एंड आउट हैदराबादी, लेकिन अभी सिंगापुर में रह रहे हैं. But he released a song called Chai Pani some time ago, which focuses on issues faced by the common man. It won critical acclaim and went viral on YouTube. And he's got his own rock band. He's a fantastic rocker, great energy, superb guy all around. Please welcome Dr. Sriram right here onto the screen. हमारे हैदराबादी महारथी है Dr. Sriram, कैसे हैं?
I'm all right.
चाय पानी चल रहा नहीं चल रहा सिंगापुर में, जरा बताइए हमारे.
साइड में चल रहा.
साइड में चल रहा. अरे आप चिंदिया गाना बजाई थी वो चाय पानी का, क्या बनाए, रिलीज करे, फुल वायरल हुआ वो टाइम पे. बाबा
It's awesome fun. That was great. Yeah.
बोलिए.
No, that was an awesome song. I have to say, Uma used to be my neighbor, right? And she just said, Sriram, I'm doing this documentary for the Rocks of Hyderabad. Can you do a song? And I'm thinking, yeah, रॉकों को तोड़ के रोड आम बना रहे.
बाबा ओह आखिरी बोले भाई, रॉकों को तोड़ के रोड आम बना रहे. अरे रे.
And then फुल दाल लेके गाड़ी को खाने.
अब बस करो जी, अम्मा रात को नींद नहीं आती ऐसा बोले तो.
अब ट्रैफिक के बात हम बोल रहा हूँ. राइट बोल के लेफ्ट को दबा रहे. हाँ वाह. हैदराबाद को बैगन मिला रहे. अब ऐसा देखो, ये रहते हैं हैदराबाद के बात, और ये सिर्फ हैदराबादियों को समझ में आते, बाकी किसी को जाके बैगन बोले तो वो लोग पकाने लगे जाते किचन में. हैं? See, बैगन, according to Tarur, the brinjal is a word that is the only English word about the brinjal that's used in India, not anywhere else in the world.
How bahar?
But Hyderabadis took it to next level.
How?
Baigan means everything.
Correct.
So
लेकिन अब्रॉड को जाके एग प्लांट बोल के बैगन को ही बैगन में मिला दिए.
That's the whole point.
How?
That's my point. How do you make a point out of a point? Yeah.
Correct. See, that's what your song did. It connected Hyderabadis together.
Well, I didn't expect it because that's not my real genre. I'm an acoustic rock guy. We've done some gigs together, you and
Correct.
I. But then that's one song that just came out, and it is what it is. Yeah.
दिल से निकला भाई, दिल से निकला तो हिट हो गया.
नींद से निकला. Jumped out of bed when I wrote it.
अबा क्या बात है. इसलिए सोते हम लोग इतना हैदराबाद में, अच्छी नींद ले लेके उठते, फिर क्रिएटिविटी निकलती. वैसा बॉम्बे के ऐसा भाग लेते नहीं रहते 4 घंटे की नींद पे. अच्छा तान के सोना 7-8 घंटे, ऐसे वायरल गाने निकलते पूरे.
I still remember we bumped into each other on a flight, you and I. And he said to me, आजकल 2 दिन को कहीं ट्रैवल मारे तो 2 अंडरवेयर रहे थे, मगर 3 केबल लेके घूमना पड़ रहा.
हाँ, 3 चार्जर लेके घूमना पड़ता, एक आईपैड का, एक लैपटॉप का, एक मोबाइल का. गए काय को 2 दिन के लिए. चलो श्रीराम, एक काम करेंगे अपन, आपका जबरदस्त आप जो गाना रिकॉर्ड करे सो है वो सुनेंगे जरा, फिर और बात करेंगे.
All right.
Okay.
Hi guys, first of all, I must thank Uma for having me here. And the truth is, ages ago, Uma came home and she said she was doing this documentary on the rocks of Hyderabad. And I said, And she said, hey, look, you must do a song for me for the documentary. And the first thing that occurred to me was, Arey, rockon ko tod ke roda bana rahe. We giggled about it, and then, a couple of nights later, I jumped out of the middle of bed and wrote the song, the Chai Pani song, right? It is about issues the common man faces, all of us face, and largely about Hyderabad being us and how we behave and how we take ourselves seriously or not. Anyways, the song goes like this. चाय पीने को मैं ऐसी निकला, चौरस्ते पे खटमल पकड़ा, चाबी ले लेके लाइसेंस पूछा, हेलमेट पेपर कुछ भी नहीं थे, नंबर प्लेट भी नहीं लगाया, सोचा फिर मैं पैसे दे लेके खिसका, अरे हैदराबाद को बैगन मिलाया, राखों को तोड़ के रोड़ा मना रही, फुलदा लेके गाड़ी भगा रही, राइट बोले के लेफ्ट को दबा रही, हैदराबाद को बैगन मिला रही. Then there's this part that goes, स्वच्छ भारत बोल के कोई की बोला, मैं भी फुल रोडों पे झाड़ू लगाया, इधर का कचरा उधर जमाया, भूख लगी तो बिरयानी खाया, रबी चातुम बोल के हल्लू खिसका. राखों को तोड़ के रोड़ा मना रहे, फुलदा लेके गाड़ी भगा रहे, राइट बोल के लेफ्ट को दबा रहे, हैदराबाद को बैगन मिला रहे. Anyway, Uma, thank you so much for inspiring me to write this song. Yeah, and when we published it, before we knew it, it went viral on YouTube and all of that. But that's secondary. But at least you came up with the idea. Hey, write a song about Hyderabad, the rocks of Hyderabad, and how we're messing with them. So thank you for that inspiration. Cheers. Lots of love.
क्या स्वैग है जी, क्या टशन है, क्या स्टाइल है. डॉक्टर श्रीराम, जबरदस्त. थैंक यू buddy, thank you so much for performing for us and joining us. हाँ, किराक गाना है. अरे नम्रता जायसवाल, किराक गाना है. अरे अच्छा, जबरदस्त, अच्छा है बहुत. तुम यहाँ भी हैदराबादियों को कनेक्ट कर दिए श्रीराम भाई साहब. चाय पानी देना पड़ता तुम्हारे को. जरा अनम्यूट हो जाओ. हाँ.
Can you hear me now?
How?
Where's Boromai? My next song is my next song is about दूध में है पानी. पानी भी गंदा.
हाँ.
अरे दूध में है पानी, अरे पानी भी गंदा. सोने में पीतल, ऐसा है धंधा.
क्या बात है.
सोने में पीतल, ऐसा ही धंधा. अरे पूछ लो अपने आप से, किया क्या नया.
बहुत सही, मजेदार. चलो मुबारक, उसका भी इंतजार रहेगा गाने का, तुम्हारा भी इंतजार रहेगा जब सिंगापुर से आएंगे तो जरा मिलो.
ये कोविड शोड खत्म होने आया.
हाँ, बस आ जाओ फिर चाय पियेंगे बैठ के। चलो, थैंक यू। थैंक यू श्रीराम। हाँ, सब लोग मजे आ रहे हैं, सब लोगों को एंजॉय कर ले रहे हैं। जरा प्लीज कमेंटों में हमारे को बताओ, नहीं मालूम पड़ता है ऐसा डब्बे में बैठ के हमारे को। हाँ देखो कितने कमेंट आ रहे, देखो बाबा मौत डाल दिए डॉक्टर जोशी साहब, अरे मौत डाल दिए टाइप करी, क्या बात है साहब। ये बात हमारे को ही समझ में आते, हमारे ही है ये बात मैं बता रहा हूँ। ओके, एनीवे मूविंग ऑन नाउ। हाँ जी, moving on now to our next segment. We have a absolutely fantastic another biryani ke talent ke biryani hai ye. He's a healthcare leader, he's a prolific speaker, he's a teacher, he's an accomplished professional singer, complete entertainer, and he's done hundreds of stage shows across the country, even abroad. And अक्सर इनके fans इनको महाजोश बोलते हैं। कई को बोले तो जो स्टेज पे इनका जोश रहता है, इनका विट रहता है, प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड, एक्सटेम्पोर स्किल्स जो रहते हैं वो अलग लेवल पे हैं। Internationally recognized leader भी है in the field of healthcare. Apart from being a fantastic singer, he's of course a pioneer in the field of healthcare, especially in the field of emergency medicine for his pioneering work. Currently, he's spearheading the Apollo Home Care vertical as the CEO. So, without much further ado, Dr. Mahesh Joshi, may I please invite you, and thank you so much for joining us. You're a legend in your own right, and so lovely to have you here with us, and your incredible talent and everything that you do. So please जरा हमें अब प्यार की बात जरा पियानो के साथ थोड़ी सी सुनाइए, और जरा आपके सुर भी हम सुन लें।
पत्थर कहा गया कभी, शीशा कहा गया, पत्थर कहा गया कभी, शीशा कहा गया, दिल जैसी एक चीज को क्या क्या कहा गया, पत्थर कहा गया कभी, शीशा कहा गया। पत्थर के खुदा, पत्थर के सनम, पत्थर के ही इंसान पाए हैं, पत्थर के खुदा, पत्थर के सनम, पत्थर के ही इंसान पाए हैं। तुम शहर मोहब्बत कहते हो, तुम शहर मोहब्बत कहते हो, हम जान बचा कर आए हैं, पत्थर के खुदा, पत्थर के सनम। सुना है हर जवा पत्थर के दिल में आग होती है, सुना है हर जवा पत्थर के दिल में आग होती है, मगर जब तक ना छेड़ो शर्म की पर्दे में सोती है। ये सोचा है कि दिल की बात उसके रूबरू कह दे, नतीजा कुछ भी निकले आज अपनी आरज़ू कह दे। हर एक बेजा तकल्लुफ़ से बगावत का इरादा है, हर एक बेजा तकल्लुफ़ से बगावत का इरादा है। किसी पत्थर पत्थर की मूरत से मोहब्बत का इरादा है, परस्तिश की तमन्ना है, इबादत का इरादा है, किसी पत्थर की मूरत से। जो दिल की धड़कने समझे ना आँखों की जुबान समझे, जो दिल की धड़कने समझे ना आँखों की जुबान समझे, नजर की गुफ्तगू समझे न जज्बों का बयां समझे, नजर की गुफ्तगू समझे न जज्बों का बयां समझे, उसी के सामने उसकी शिकायत का इरादा है, उसी के सामने उसकी शिकायत का इरादा है, किसी पत्थर की मूरत से मोहब्बत का इरादा है, परस्तिश की तमन्ना है, इबादत का इरादा है, किसी पत्थर की मूरत से।
वाह वाह वाह, what a beautiful voice. And of course Dr. Joshi, इतने सारे फैंस आपके भी हैं यहाँ पर कमेंट बॉक्स में, सबका प्यार इतना उमड़ रहा है, बहुत and lovely to hear you sing after so long. तो Dr. Joshi, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, I mean you've of course been involved in so many aspects of life, from healthcare to singing to connecting people together. How have you seen Hyderabad evolve? And I'm asking this especially because हमारे पास बाहर से काफी सारी ऑडियंस है जो LA में है, दिल्ली में है, यहाँ पर जो ऑडियंस है जो हमारा शो देख रही है. So how have you seen Hyderabad evolve as a city, as people?
So thank you, Anuj. First and foremost, let me put on record the wonderful way in which you are anchoring this event and making it so much more enjoyable to everybody around. Kudos to you, as usual. You are a real rock star MC. So keep up the great work. On the aspect of Hyderabad, so I am a Rajasthani by roots, born in Maharashtra and settled in Telangana, Hyderabad. My wife is from Mumbai, and it's important for me to share this. When I decided to move to Hyderabad way back in 2000, can you imagine a Mumbaikar wife? What must be the state of affairs at home? A hardcore Mumbaikar, born and brought up, come to Hyderabad in late 2000s, which was absolute Nawabi, laid back. Road number 12 Banjar Hills was the limit of that Hyderabad. Apollo tak pahunchne ke liye acha rasta bhi nahi tha. So it's been a very interesting journey. Hyderabad has evolved, and I am so glad that we made this choice. And today, the proof of the pudding is that my wife doesn't want to ever go back to Mumbai, and she can't stay for more than 2 days in Mumbai. So that is what is the power of Hyderabad. And I think that's the biggest testimonial that I can give. And this is thanks to, I think, this is not a metropolitan city. It's a metropolitan town. It's a metropolitan, multiple homes built together. That's
beautiful,
how I would say this, right?
Yes.
And the beauty of this is people are very simple and people are very accommodative. And I would say they are not as materialistic as you would see in many other states in India. So I think that's a fundamental differentiation. And I think there are connoisseurs of art. That's the most important point for a person like me. Every form of art, there are connoisseurs who are there. And I just hope that as we go towards urbanization, this metropolitan town doesn't really translate into metropolitan city, because that would be taking away the life out of the being or the essence of Hyderabad.
Beautiful. I don't think I've heard a more apt description, sir. और इतना जो दिल से आपने कहा है, I think बाहर पत्थरों के भी आंसू निकल आए हैं खुशी के. But it's really, I mean, we are a large small town, and you know, हम अपने में खुश हैं, अपने में मस्त हैं. In fact, ये मैं कई बार देखता हूँ कि बाहर के शहरों से जब लोग यहाँ आते हैं, वो दंग रह जाते हैं कि हमारे पास सब कुछ है, सारा कुछ है, फैसिलिटीज है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर सब कुछ है, अच्छा शहर है, it's self equipped, very self sustained, and हम अपने में खुश हैं. हमें, like you said, metropolitan city नहीं बनना है, town बने रहने में ही we're very happy. So lovely, sir. I think this is going to stay with me for a very long time. So thank you for sharing your music and your words, and you know, your love with us. We wish you all the very best. For keep entertaining us. I really hope to see you perform live sometime soon again. But मजा आ गया, and what a voice, sir. Beautiful. इतने सारे comments आपके आ रहे हैं, आपके fan base के यहाँ पर, मजा आ रहा है, और ये video आगे भी और जाएगा तो लोगों को और पसंद आएगा.
Thank you, Anuj. In fact, if you allow me a moment, I just want to say 4 lines for the Rocks that I wrote. In fact, yesterday evening, some of you must have seen the video, but this is पत्थर की जुबानी मैं कह रहा हूँ about the Rocks. कि कभी पहाड़ था, मैं आज एक फॉर्मेशन बन के रह गया हूँ. कभी पहाड़ था, मैं आज एक फॉर्मेशन बन के रह गया हूँ. इस शहर का रॉक स्टार हुआ करता था मैं, अब बस रॉक गार्डन बन के रह गया हूँ.
हाय 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 सर, रुला देंगे सर, ऐसा बोले. अरे,
इस शहर को बनते बिगड़ते संवरते देखा है मैंने. इस शहर को बनते बिगड़ते संवरते देखा है मैंने. निजामों और नवाबों का वक्त भी जिया है मैंने. इस जमाने की ढलती मोहब्बत का नतीजा है. इस जमाने की ढलती मोहब्बत का नतीजा है कि अब केवल तस्वीरों में दिखता है. This is about the dwindling rocks of Hyderabad. बहुत सी कहानियां हैं मेरे पास, बहुत सी कहानियां हैं मेरे पास. मेरी लकीरों में छुपा है सदियों से कई राज. पत्थर कहलाता हूं पर दिल भी है मेरे पास. पत्थर कहलाता हूं पर दिल भी है मेरे पास. कभी तन्हाई की हो जरूरत तो आना, गुफ्तगू करेंगे मिलकर साथ साथ. So many times you just need a stone to just put your back, and that is perhaps the most peaceful moment that you can have, resonating your soul with that stone which is there. और आखिरी 4 लाइनें आपकी नजर पेश कर रहा हूं कि पत्थर तोड़ना पत्थर फेंकना इंसानी फितरत है. पत्थर तोड़ना पत्थर फेंकना इंसानी फितरत है. अचल रहना खामोश रहना मेरी आदत है. सुकून मेरी उल्फत है. गूंज मेरी ताकत है. मुझे तोड़ने वाले इंसान तो एक दिन चले जाएंगे. मुझे तोड़ने वाले इंसान तो एक दिन चले ही जाएंगे. टुकड़े बनकर ही सही हम आपकी राहों में कभी न कभी जरूर आएंगे. कभी रास्ते का पत्थर, कभी मील का पत्थर, कभी लाल पत्थर, कभी काला पत्थर, कभी फूल और पत्थर, और कभी पत्थर के सनम बनकर हम आपसे जरूर टकराएंगे. हम आपसे जरूर टकराएंगे.
उफ, ओहो, डॉक्टर जोशी, दिस इज सर, आप प्लीज ये टाइप करके व्हाट्सएप पे जरा भेजिए प्लीज. दीज थिंग्स शुड बी स्प्रेड इन व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स, नॉट फेक न्यूज़. Please.
Anuj, this video is there. I'll share the video with you. It would be good. Somebody like you shares it. It should reach the people.
Bilkul, sir. Bilkul. It'll be my honor. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining us, sir.
And I don't know if you recall, first time we met was many years ago on the Airtel Marathon, one of the first at 4 a.m. in the morning.
जी. वाओ, वो भी दिन हुआ करते थे, हम जल्दी उठा करते थे. But anyway, thank you, sir. Thank you so much for joining us. So, वैसे we also have Mr. Malik from the Wow magazine and First Post who's here. Malik साहब, अगर आप कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं, if you'd like to express something, please go ahead. We'd be happy to hear from you. Is Malik Saab here with us?
Yes.
Yes, please, sir. Mr. Malik, are you with us?
Yeah, I'm here. Anuj, please tell.
Please, I mean, if you are with the Wow magazine and First Post, and you had some lovely words to say earlier to Uma and the team. So we'd love to hear from you. If there's any question you'd like to ask any of our wonderful artists or the team themselves.
I would only like to ask one question, Anuj. I wanted to know, earlier we used to see a lot of songs being picturized at, say, some of these rocks. And they used to be, like you've rightly mentioned throughout the course of your talk, that, these songs found a place in our art, in our literature. Why is it and how is it that suddenly they've sort of disappeared from it
all? I don't know what the right answer to that, sir, is. लेकिन आजकल क्या है, कुछ भी गाना पिक्चराइज होता है, कोई ना कोई ऑफेंस ले लेता है, पत्थर मारना शुरू कर देता है, तो ये लोग पत्थरों के पास जा ही नहीं।
वो तो सही है।
But I hope we can, by way of this documentary film coming out, we can rekindle our love for the rocks of Hyderabad. And thanks to Uma and the entire team that is working really hard, and we're introducing this film जो बहुत जल्दी आने वाली है. I hope we can reignite that passion that Hyderabadis have for our rocks and our ecosystem, which these rocks have nurtured. So thank you so much for expressing that. In fact, एक क्विक हम कॉन्टेस्ट करते हैं फिलहाल. हम I know वक्त का थोड़ा सा we've gone a little over, but I hope you all are enjoying this session and don't mind us going a little over. Let's do a quick contest, all right? So इस event के जरिए आज का जो event है, it is a first in a series of events that are going to happen. Now the second session is going to happen on the cuisine and the food and the rock related cuisine of Hyderabad. तो उस सीरीज के लिए के साथ साथ एक डिजिटल कुक बुक भी है जो लॉन्च हो रही है, and we are offering that cookbook to somebody who can win this quick contest right now. So without checking Google, without checking online, how old are the rocks of Hyderabad? The first person to comment the right answer will win this digital cookbook. All right, so please comment right away. The first person to comment the right answer. How old are the rocks of Hyderabad? मैं कुछ ही देर में इसका सही जवाब आपको बताऊंगा, लेकिन इससे पहले मैं अभी आपको एक ट्रेलर दिखाना चाहूंगा, a little clip of our film and a beautiful song along with it. So please, may I request the team to play that.
నల్లని రాళ్ళలో ఏ కన్నులు దాగినో, ఈ బండల మాటున ఏ గుండెలు మ్రోగినో. అయిన కఠినమని పించును, లోన వెన్న కనిపించును. పైన కఠినమని పించును, లోన వెన్న కనిపించును. జీవమున్న మనిషి కన్న శిలలే నయమని పించును.
Well, that was, of course, E Nallali Raalalo. This is again a song, the magic of Ghandasala and the magic of our rocks of Hyderabad. So that was a little clip from our film Jo Bahut Jaldi Aayegi, and let's fall in love with our rocks all over again. Talking about rocks, we have a rock star, another rock star in the house. He's been acclaimed one of the top 3 guitarists in Hyderabad, one of the best musicians in the city. Started his career in 2005, and he's been a huge part of the music scene in Hyderabad. He's been part of bands. He's performed on several stages across the country, and he's recognized as one of the most versatile artists in the city. He touched genres from mainstream pop to rock to Bollywood to jazz, and he's also a recording artist, a composer with the Telugu and the Kannada film industry. So may I please invite on the screen the one and only Keith, coming up with his fantastic guitar to perform for us, Rocker for the Rocks. Keith, the screen is all yours.
Once upon a time, you dressed so fine, threw the bombs a dime in your prime. But didn't you? People call, say, beware doll, you're bound to fall. You thought that they were all kidding you. You used to laugh about everybody that was hanging out, that you don't talk so loud, that you don't seem so proud about having to be scrounging for your next meal. How does it feel? How does it feel to be without a home, like a complete unknown, like a rolling stone? You're going to the finest schools, alright, Miss Lonely, but you know you only used to get juice in it. Nobody's ever taught you how to live out on the streets, and now you're gonna have to get used to it. You say you never compromise with the mystery traps, but now you realize he's not selling any alibis. As you stare into the vacuum of his eyes and say to you, want to make a deal? How does it feel? How does it feel to be on your own, with no direction home? Well, how does it feel? How does it feel to be on your own, with no direction home, like a complete unknown, like a rolling stone?
What fantastic talent. What a rocker. Keith, thank you so much. And of course, Keith, I think he had some technical trouble, couldn't join us live, but thank you so much for recording this and sending it to us, Keith. You're a rocker in the truest sense of the word. In fact, rock music se meri earliest memory hai is, interestingly, as a kid in the early 90s, the first time I visited the Qutub Shahi tombs was on the night of a particular event. I walked in with my parents, of course, and saw the entire tombs lit up, stage set up, all of this. And I don't know how many of you remember this, but at that point of time, there was a massive rock festival that happened in Hyderabad with bands coming from all over the country and performing. And that rock festival actually happened at the Qutub Shahi tombs. And one of the biggest tombs there, the Sultan Qutub Shahi ka jo tomb hai, wahan par pura stage set kiya gaya tha. And that was my first introduction to the tombs. Like, imagine a rock festival with history in the backdrop, hundreds of years of history in the backdrop. What a moment that was. I don't know how many of you experienced it or remembered it, but that's one of my first memories of a rock festival in Hyderabad. But anyway, Taking a leap from one spectrum to the other, we've got one spectrum of music, one end of the spectrum of music to the other. We've got a fabulous, wonderful singer coming up right now. She's been a student and a practitioner of Hindustani classical music and a disciple of Gurus Srimati Swati Phadke and Manjusha Patil Kulkarni. She's also a playback singer in the Telugu film industry. She's got a lovely voice and she's bringing to us a very, very special song that connects all of our hearts and the rocks together. May I please invite Harini Rao to sing for us.
Thank you so much for the introduction, Anuj. That was quite sweet of you. Yeah, I think we can have the team play the video, please.
सांसों के तार पर धड़कन के ताल पर दिल की पुकार का रंग भरे प्यार का गीत गाया पत्थरों ने, गीत गाया पत्थरों ने, सांसों के तार पर धड़कन के ताल पर दिल की पुकार का रंग भरे प्यार का गीत गाया पत्थरों ने, गीत गाया पत्थरों ने, गीत गाया इंसान की चाहत भरी कल्पना ने, इंसान की चाहत भरी कल्पना ने दिल भी है भर दी है पत्थर में वो नौजवानी। ओ एक एक सूरत है शक्ले मोहब्बत हाथों ने दी जिंदगानी। प्यार के सुरों पर, प्यार के सुरों पर अपनी ही धुन में दिल की पुकार का रंग भरे प्यार का गीत गाया पत्थरों ने, गीत गाया पत्थरों ने। हर एक पत्थर से बरसेगी उल्फत, हाँ हर एक पत्थर से बरसेगी उल्फत। सालों ही सदियों ही हरदम रहेंगे ये मिलके। ओ इनमें नहीं है इंसान का भेदभाव, इनमें नहीं है इंसान का भेदभाव। टुकड़े हैं ये एक दिल के, शांति के राग पर, शांति के राग पर, एकता के तान पर दिल की पुकार का रंग भरे प्यार का गीत गाया पत्थरों ने, गीत गाया पत्थरों ने, गीत गाया पत्थरों ने। सांसों के तार पर धड़कन के ताल पर दिल के पुकार का रंग भरे प्यार का गीत गाया पत्थरों ने, गीत गाया पत्थरों ने, गीत गाया पत्थरों ने, गीत गाया।
हरिणी गाते रहिए प्लीज। ओह ब्यूटीफुल, थैंक यू, थैंक यू। वाओ, I think if you just go through the comments right now, लोगों के खुशी के प्यार के आंसू निकल रहे हैं। मतलब it's just beautiful, Harini. Thank you so much. What a rendition, what a rendition.
Thank
लेकिन
you so much.
मुझे ये बताइए कि हैदराबाद has such a vast spectrum of music. एक तरफ of course Tollywood तो है ही, rock bands हैं, there's Hindustani classical, there's Carnatic classical, there's so much happening. गजलों का एक अलग यहाँ पर fan base है. How have you experienced the music of Hyderabad?
Honestly, it's really nice, and I'm fortunate to be in such a diverse environment that is Hyderabad. So itna sara music chalta hai and itni variety, like you said. So I just have to agree with you, and I have to just say that it's a pretty exciting space to be at. Though we are in south of India, we would feel that we'd be rich in Carnatic music only, but clearly that's not the case. There's so much of different kinds of music that are there in the city, and that speaks a lot about the culture of the people and the vibe of the city, which is so beautiful. And I should mention that I'm sure the emotion that is coming out, when people feel for this song, it's all about how beautiful the poetry is, and how lovely the tune is also. Yeah, the song speaks volumes about the emotion behind rocks.
गीत गाया पत्थरों ने, मतलब वहीं से शुरुआत हो रही है। तो फिर and as we heard another song a little while ago, डॉक्टर जोशी कह रहे थे कि सुना है हर जवां पत्थर के दिल में आग होती है, ये सोचा है कि दिल की बात उसके रूबरू कर दे. I mean, such beautiful lines written across cinema to celebrate not just the environment, but really the heritage that humankind enjoys, our ecology, our ecosystem, that we're so grateful to Uma and her team for painstakingly making this film and bringing it to us, and spreading the awareness that we need to conserve them, we need to protect them, and preserve ourselves, not just the rocks. So thank you, Harini. Thank you so much for your music, your presence. Thank you so much. And it's one thing, as Harini said, कि Hyderabad को आप north और south में आप really classify नहीं कर सकते. And I'm saying this growing as a North Indian boy in a city like Hyderabad. It's a melting pot of cultures. हर चीज की बिरयानी है, cultures की बिरयानी है, भाषाओं की है, music की है, हर तरह की यहाँ पे बिरयानी है. हम सब अलग-अलग जगह से आए हैं, लेकिन it's the Hyderabadi identity that binds us together. And at the end of the day, that's how we identify ourselves. So really, thank you all of you for joining. And अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है, मैं vote of thanks नहीं दे रहा हूँ, but thank you so much for joining us. वैसे मैं उस contest का announcement भी कर दूं कि how old are the rocks of Hyderabad, and the first person to comment with the correct answer is Padmini Patel, who rightly said the rocks are 2,500 million years old. 2,500 million years old. That's how old the rocks are. And it probably takes a few weeks or a few days to get machines and drill them out of existence. That's what we need to protect. 2,500 million years old is what the rocks are. And that's what we're celebrating by way of this film, the other Kohinoors, and everything else that we're doing with this series of events. So Padmini Patel, congratulations. We will get in touch with you and hand you or email you your digital cookbook. Congratulations on that. Well, on that note, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Hyderabadis and everybody, now that you are in the fold, even if you're from LA, you are Hyderabadi by the end of this program. So I'd like to, of course, thank all of you, and please hand the screen over now to Mahanur. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to host this session. It's been quite an honor, and I'm waiting for the film, and I hope to be part of this movement going forward. Once a Hyderabadi, always a Hyderabadi. That's what we say. So Mahanur, it's over to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Anuj. It's already what, 7:30 and it's over? I could be on this show forever if I had the choice. No, it's actually 7:45. It's my pleasure today, Adab, Namaste, and good evening. It's my pleasure, the host. Sorry about that. All these technical aspects I'm not familiar with. Well, it's my pleasure to give the vote of thanks to all those who have come on board and all those who have participated today. I must say, Anuj makes it so easy, it's so effortless, and he has done just a brilliant job. Thank you so much, Anuj. I have to thank the singers, each one of them, Harini, Shravya, Keith, Dr. Joshi, Sriram, and Rohit, who was unfortunately not here today, and I think Keith was not on, unfortunately, who agreed to be part of this program, I believe because of their love for the rocks and the fact that it has had such a strong influence on their own cultural, creative sensibilities. Thank you all for coming on board and believing in the film and the rocks that need to be saved. Our social media team, there's Arnaz, Taimur, Ramsha, Raja, Harsha, Veda, and Navneeta, who have worked tirelessly through Uma and my idiosyncrasies to make this happen. They've posted, they've chopped and changed things when we've asked them to. They've worked through the night and done a great job on posting messages on all our social platforms, and there are quite a few of them today. To the technical team of Pal and Jyoti, it was flawless. Thank you so much. I was a bit concerned, but it's really gone really smoothly. Thank you both for getting the show going as it has. And of course, without the audience, the show wouldn't have gone on. Thank you all sincerely for coming on board and supporting the Rocks of Hyderabad. We need to make it a movement. So let's get started. Do support the film, The Other Kohinoors, The Rocks of Hyderabad, so we can then start our very extensive outreach program. We are on the website, Other Kohinoors Donate. Do go ahead and click on that. And to end this program, I'd like you all to please block the 18th of March. That's the day we come with our second I Am Here to Wonder conversation. It, as Anuj mentioned, it deals with Hyderabadi and Dakkani cuisine. It's going to be a cook-in, so it's going to be fun. So please register for that. Block your dates on your calendar. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोगों का आने का. खुदा हाफिज, namaste, and good night.
सुनो न संगमरमर की ये मीनारे, कुछ भी नहीं है आगे तुम्हारे. आज से दिल पे मेरे राज तुम्हारा, ताज तुम्हारा. सुनो न संगमरमर की ये मीनारे, कुछ भी नहीं है आगे तुम्हारे. आज से दिल पे मेरे राज तुम्हारा, ताज तुम्हारा। सुनो न संगमरमर की ये मीनारे, बिन तेरे मध्यम मध्यम भी चल रही थी धड़कन। जब से मिले तुम हमें आंचल से तेरे बंधे, दिल उड़ रहा है। सुनो न आसमानों के ये सितारे, कुछ भी नहीं है आगे तुम्हारे। ये देखो सपने मेरे नींदों से होके तेरे, रातों से कहते हैं लो हम तो सवेरे हैं वो सच हो गए जो। सुनो न दो जहां के ये नजारे, कुछ भी नहीं है आगे तुम्हारे। आज से दिल पे मेरे राज तुम्हारा, ताज तुम्हारा। सुनो न संगमरमर की ये मीनारे,